I can't see. No! No, don't stop. No, don't stop. Get another chick.
No.
We all waiting to see this, man. Oh, what you doing? Don't let it go. What are you doing?
I'm gonna see if I can pick up.
He just got laid. He just got laid. Good on you, boy. Good on you.
Just ran out. Royalty Clint. I
Oh,
can kick him out of this. I can kick the royalty dude out of this.
that was funny. He just got laid.
The Zaz
Right, let us through. Come on, Franklin. Let's go. Oi, don't kidnap Franklin. What the hell are you playing at? Oh, okay. Don't chuck me out. What do I do to you? Let me in. We're like a bunch of children here. Don't get involved. No, Franklin, piss off.
Wait, Franklin's here?
Yeah, Franklin's here.
Oh, I'm with after Franklin's here.
Long time no seen.
Was that who was getting laid?
Yeah, that guy was getting laid. We were all just clapping to him.
Was Franklin getting laid or was someone else?
Franklin was there watching.
Franklin was watching.
What a day.
That was all.
What's up, boys?
I hope the Zaz didn't kill you. He's in my Finland.
This is the car he got laid in. Good on you, little guy. Nice one, G-Has.
The Emperor?
Yeah, this guy here got laid.
It's like a Cadillac.
It's a Centorno. It might be.
Yeah, but it looks like a real life Cadillac that.
Yeah, it might be. Don't kick me out your car. That's the worst thing you can ever do.
I was gonna get my phone and send it to that friend I sent pictures to earlier.
Can I have a lift? Don't just ignore the bad sports sign on me. Can I have a lift?
You have a
Royalty?
bad sports line on you?
Thank you, buddy. Thank you, bro.
You have a bad sports line on you?
Yeah, I'm still in bad sport, but it looks good on me.
So you're not gonna be able to get on in 4 days?
Hang on a minute. Let's get that level 2 into the crew.
No, Franklin shooting me. Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
Are you still not gonna be able to get on for a couple days?
I will be allowed on, but I won't be able to play with you unless you get into bad sport.
Okay.
Because none of you are in bad sport apart from me at the moment.
Okay.
So right now I shouldn't be in here.
You shouldn't be here.
You wanna go, boy? Is he dead? You don't disrespect me. Move away from the car. I can do it as much as I like. I'm coming out of bad sport very soon. I got 3 days. You might as well go on a big killing spree. I'll get my mate to mod your account.
Royalty Clint says rank me up. He's not even a modder.
I know. I know you're not. He thinks everyone's a modder because they're rank.
They're high rank?
Yeah. Because when they're high rank, they can do whatever they think.
Are you inside the subway?
No, I'm on top.
I think you're inside. Let's go under the ground.
There's a hint where I am. Move out the way. This baby's gonna explode. Everyone move out the way. Trust, move out the way.
What's gonna explode?
The stuff what me and Dennis get up to in lobbies is it's funny as hell.
Gosh, Zalza just killed me.
Who did? Where is he?
Zalza? The dude that's on my friend list?
Where is he?
He was in the car that is supposedly undestroyable. I think it just got destroyed though.
Well, yeah, because that other guy's a modder.
What?
Modders can destroy him.
Yeah, he keeps killing me.
Where is he? Come on then, dude. You wanna go? You wanna go? Let's go.
I was once friends with it, just skip the bad sport, but I mean, you got a lot of it.
I'll come into bad sport anyway, so I could not give 2 craps if you got into a car.
So you don't care if you explode his car?
I don't care.
If you explode his car? Alright, Royal, did you messaging me to rank me up, please?
Just ignore him. He keeps telling me to rank him up. Not going to. Because I can't. I can de-rank. That's the difference.
No. The dude with a bunch of L is annoying too. I just came out from someone else and yeah.
I'm gonna grab this kill and quickly leave. Okay. Because right now it's gonna be modder against modder. So, bit awkward, if you ask me. That was nowhere near me. Where is he? Dude, I'm not after you. so you can piss off, or else I'm gonna boot you. It's modder against modder. Now piss off.
Who's the other modder?
Me.
No, who's the modder against you?
Or I.
Modder?
Yep. Try hard wannabe modded account. Unlimited ammo. Right, sort this out. Right, I'm just gonna grab this one kill and then I'm gonna be leaving. So then I can get this bad sport thing sorted out. He's easy, that guy. That guy isn't. He's using the mod menu. I'm just trying to play legit here.
We're about to leave.
Yeah. You might as well, mate. He's in a glitch. I can't get to him. Not when he's in that glitch. He's up in that glitch. Right, I'm leaving. Yeah, I'll see you in 4 days.